What's up, Copy Squad? It's your boy Kyle Milligan coming to you live from Boca Raton, Florida. And today I want to tell you about how copywriting can be used to easily sell anything. So I'm going to read this comment to you really quick that I got from this dude. And it says, quick question. Do you think copywriting, as we intend it, can be used, for example, to sell a chair, a car? I mean, can it be used to sell something that is not strictly related to information and emotional business? And if yes, how to do that? Okay, so that's what we're going to tell you today is how to do that, how to sell say a car or a chair or something like that. Okay, cool. So I want to kind of talk about some different examples of exactly how you can use copywriting to pretty much sell anything, any product. First things first, I'll just run through people that I know and I've helped sell basic stuff. My girlfriend is a hairstylist and she sells hair services and hair products. And when women work with her, they're going to get a special high level service. And I can even show you maybe her Instagram or something to kind of give you a peek at what I'm talking about. Okay, cool. So this is my girlfriend's Instagram, right? And if you notice, she does, this is her. This is the hair colors that she does. So she does a lot of crazy, what they call vivids in her industry. She's really good at doing something that most people cannot effectively pull off. A lot of cool, vibrant colors, and it's not really something very easy to do, okay? So she starts there with, that's a high price service, man. That costs a lot of money to get something like that done. So whenever someone does those services with her, she has a lot of cool upsells that come in the forms of retail, she calls it, or products. So she has something called Olaplex, which is basically this stuff that goes on over your hair to repair the damage that is caused by all these colors and chemicals. And that's an expensive service / product. So one of the things that we started doing was she had a week where she sold zero retail, 2 consecutive weeks where she sold nothing. She was like, what am I doing wrong? And I was like, well, let's just look at the copywriting framework, New, Easy, Safe, and Big, that I basically wrote an entire book about. How can we implement this in selling your hair juice, right? Your health potion for hair. And one of the things that she found was super easy, and now she's using New, Easy, Safe, and Big. What she found was she can tell people I just got this in, okay? So it doesn't necessarily mean that the product itself is new, right? It just means it is new to her shelf, right? And I think that's where people get tied up. I had a comment recently about there's a trend in IPOs. I was talking about this trend in IPOs, and people are, over the last couple months, people have been getting rich. And the comment was, well, it's not new then. No, dude, you misunderstand the emotion we're trying to trigger. The emotion we're trying to trigger is we have this new thing that can help you that you've never tried before, right? So one of the ways she can do that is say, this just hit my shelf, meaning she just bought it today or something like that, right? This just hit my shelf. All you gotta do is just apply it one time, and it goes through and it fixes it basically XYZ with the proteins, the hair proteins and the fibers, and everything comes together and becomes silky smooth again, all right? And it's super easy. It basically completely reverses all the dryness and damage that come with these colors. It's very important if you want your hair to stay healthy and be colorful that you use this product. So boom, she's basically saw a 300% uptick in sales when she started framing it like that, instead of just pitching an upsell hey, do you want to add Olaplex? It's $60. Holy crap, no, it's not that anymore. I just got this new product, just hit the shelf, okay? Went and got it yesterday. Basically, it's really important to blah, 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 blah. It's really important to have this in your hair or your, and it's super easy. I just apply it one time. It goes through, it fixes all the proteins, and I can actually sell you a little container to take home with you as well. And all you need to do is apply this whenever you take a shower. Boom, New, Easy, Safe. And the results are big. You go from dry, frayed, damaged hair to super silky smooth, beautiful, glowing hair. You just paid probably $200 or $300 to get crazy colors done, right? So boom, I just sold that. And again, the question that I received from YouTube is something how can you sell something that isn't emotional? Everything is emotional. Everything can be triggered new, easy, safe, and big. The problem is many people think that a chair is not emotional. But that's not true. That's not correct. They're still speaking English. They're trying to convince someone to buy something with English, which is something I'm trying to get everyone to stop doing. We are not speaking English. We are speaking copywriting. And copywriting communicates directly to the emotional brain. So turn off that whole thing about, well, how do I convince them to buy this chair? Dude, you do it by speaking directly to the emotional brain. How do you speak directly to the emotional brain? You use New, Easy, Safe, and Big, okay? We sell with New, Easy, Safe, and Big, all right? So if we're selling a chair, right, whatever we're selling, we just got to remember that we're not speaking English to sell the chair. We're speaking copywriting to communicate with the big 4 buying emotions. I have a break. Like, look at the purple mattress commercials, right? Look at the bed commercials. We have this new memory foam technology. We got this new microfiber thing. We got this new patented technology that makes you sleep like a baby for 72 hours straight, right? Okay, we got this new chair technology. Okay, this chair is ergonomically designed to make you have like the best posture and make you feel 20 years younger. Okay, all you got to do is just sit in this chair for 8 hours a day instead of the old crappy chair you were sitting in. Not only that, like, it's been backed by a million different scientific studies that whenever your spine is positioned correctly like this, you actually become 10 years younger in 5 minutes. All right? So that is speaking copywriting. We're not selling a product. It's not features and benefits, dude. It's how is this product new, easy, safe, and big? And if the product isn't inherently new, you could do something like my girlfriend did. Yeah, this just hit my shelf yesterday. That doesn't mean that Olaplex, this hair treatment that's been around for years and years and years, just came out yesterday and it's the first time in your life that you can try it. It doesn't mean that at all. But it did hit her shelf yesterday, so if you want to get in before it sells out, you probably need to go ahead and take advantage. She can barely keep them up there, right? So it's just like, dude, you can use copywriting to sell anything, right? Basically, the goal is to learn the language of copywriting because copywriting speaks directly to the emotional brain. That's where the decision is made. That's where someone decides that they want to buy something. They want something and they're going to buy it. It happens there. It doesn't matter what the product is. Figure out how it's new, easy, safe, and big. That's all I got. Thanks so much for tuning in, and peace out, Copy Squad.